Welcome to the channel everyone. This is just a quick little unboxing and a review of the Toughmaster Plunge sole, truck sole. So I just bought it yesterday from my money. The video is not sponsored. I just like the color of it because it matches my DeWalt tools that I love. And I thought I'll give it a shot because it's relatively cheap. It's only £100 on eBay. So let's see what's inside the box. I guess these are the clamps. Yeah, that's the clamps. Oh, an Allen key somewhere there for changing the blade of the saw, I guess. Some instructions and the saw itself. Well, I love the color of it. Definitely looks like a DeWalt tool. I know it isn't, and it's very far from the DeWalt range, but hey, let's just give it a shot. I like this little cool feature, black and yellow. Keeps the cable, oh, a very long cable as well. Just what we want. I guess it's probably 3 meters, standard like most of the power tools that we've got. So that's this, the Allen key that fell in, and in the box, so it comes with these two rails. They've got a connector there, so they can get connected. I think they are 700 mil long each, so it will provide us with 1400 millimeters, 140 centimeters in total from the two lengths. Right, so that's so. If anyone is looking at it, 1400 watts, and that's the whole thing, pretty much it. All the bits here on the box. So let's just plug it in and see what it does. I'll just plug it in my Hoover that I made to work as an extraction tool. Have a look on that video somewhere on my channel. So let's see. I guess I have to press the safety feature, then the trigger. Oh, it's a soft start. I love that. Got a soft start. I can work with that. So I guess I just basically have to connect the two rails with the connector. Really nice and smooth. So it has depth adjustment here, right here, so I can basically set the depth that I want from basically 0 to 55-60 millimeters, and then there's the bevel up to 45 degrees. Really nice. We'll give it a shot in a minute. So far I love it. I love the color, I love the feel. Rubber handles. What's not to like about it? Let's see if it cuts. See you in a minute.